Ready to unlock the power of Vendasta's Business App Pro? Before we jump in, let's talk about the challenges that local businesses face and how you can help solve them. We all know that small and medium-sized businesses are facing increased competition from all angles. It's easier than ever for someone to start a new business with just a laptop, and larger companies are able to quickly jump on the new hot thing and diversify their business. For many SMBs, what they sell isn't entirely unique, and so to win a customer's business instead of the competition, they need to provide a better customer experience. Actually, we believe it's absolutely critical for SMBs to provide a great customer experience to survive and thrive in today's market. At Vendasta, we've seen firsthand how providing a better customer experience can drastically change outcomes for a business. One of our trusted channel partners focused on helping their SMBs improve customer experience, and the results were massive. Their clients were generating on average twice as many qualified leads from their website and saw 162% more reviews from happy customers. However, for an SMB to actually deliver on truly great customer experiences and get these results, they need help, your help. Let's think of a local plumber, for example. Your local plumber wants to be the first thing a potential customer sees when they search on their phone for both emergency plumbing and plumber near me. That means they need help managing their ads, listings, reviews, and SEO so that they can attract customers. When that potential customer does find our local plumber, they still need to actually request a quote, book a service, or generally raise their hand saying they want our plumber's services. Because our plumbers should be busy under the sink and not answering phone calls all day, they need help converting customers. That could be using a website, web chat, meeting scheduler, or payment system. But ultimately, it needs to be easy to use so the customer converts instead of getting frustrated and going to a competitor. Even when a customer has converted, our local plumber's work isn't done yet. To continue growing their business efficiently, the plumber needs to leverage their happy customers to either generate new business when somebody else is searching for an emergency plumber, or encourage repeat business when their happy customer is planning a bathroom reno. Our local plumber needs help engaging their customers, whether that's through SMS, email, social media, or review requests. Doing all of these things is a lot of work for an SMB, and they still need to provide what the customer is actually paying for. Because providing a great customer experience is essential for them to compete, they want help from trusted experts like yourself. And that's where Vendasta's Business App Pro comes in, to help you solve all these problems for your clients. We've taken the mission-critical things a business needs to provide an exceptional customer experience and integrated it together into one easy-to-use platform. Business App Pro helps your clients attract new customers through paid and organic search and ensures they have a great online reputation whenever a customer is searching for them nearby. It helps your clients not only capture new leads, but also turns them into customers quickly and efficiently, automating the simple things and then letting your clients take a human-centric approach when needed. And finally, it helps your clients take advantage of their hard-won customer data using SMS, email, social, and more, all in an effort to build loyal customers and communicate with them seamlessly to encourage repeat business. And best of all, Business App Pro is backed by foundational elements like a CRM, reporting, automations, and integrations, which help your clients own and organize their data. Attract, convert, engage. The three phases of customer experience are a cycle that smart businesses take advantage of along with their foundational tools to generate more and more success. Business App Pro lets you provide all of this integrated into one platform and available under one login. The benefit for you as their trusted expert is that by providing all of this functionality, you become essential to your clients' daily operations, and they will continue to work with you month over month. Let's say you are just helping your client attract new customers. There's really nothing wrong with this approach, and there are businesses who see a lot of success doing just that. There are some downsides to this approach, though. For example, The amount of money spent on things like ads and SEO can change based on seasonality. While marketing is important to running a business, it isn't critical to operations if money is tight either. Another possibility is an SMB has all the business they can handle right now, and they just need help working more efficiently. If all you are selling is marketing, you don't have much else to offer. By offering a complete customer experience platform, your customers end up using your software and services every day to manage daily operations. They'll be using your software to book meetings, look up a customer's phone number, take payment, send an email campaign, and more. Your clients will see greater returns on their investment because you've helped optimize their entire customer experience. This is mission-critical stuff to grow their business that translates into more monthly recurring revenue for you as their trusted expert with little extra effort on your behalf. So that's why Business App Pro matters to both you and your clients. If you like what you saw in this video, we have a version of this presentation deck that you can use for your business. Simply follow the instructions below.